How to see accidentally deleted friend requests on Facebook. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to see accidentally deleted friend requests on Facebook. First, open the Facebook mobile application just like you can see here. Once you are inside the app, tap on the menu icon, which may appear at the bottom right corner or in a different position depending on your version of the app. This will take you to the menu page where there are many options that you can use to navigate through your Facebook account. Scroll down all the way to the bottom of this page. From the options that appear here, tap on the one named Settings and Privacy. After that, the section will expand and reveal more options. From them, tap on the one named Settings. You will now land on the Settings page of your Facebook account where you can manage different features. From here, scroll down until you find the section named Your Activity. Under this section, make sure you tap on Activity Log. This is the page where you can see your entire account activity. Once you land here, scroll down again until you find the section named Connections. Under Connections, you will see different categories. From them, tap on Friends and then tap Manage Friends. A new page will appear. On this page, tap on the Filters option. Once you do that, a pop-up will appear with different options. From the list, choose the option named Friend Requests Received. When you tap on it, Facebook will show you all the friend requests you have received, including the ones you accidentally deleted. This is a very useful way to review requests you may have removed by mistake and decide whether you want to accept them or not. The process is that simple and only takes a few minutes. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue, and now you know how to find accidentally deleted friend requests on Facebook. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to see accidentally deleted friend requests on Facebook.